Hi guys, welcome back to Wardle Road, and today I'm joined by John. Thanks for joining me at newly named St Michael's. So, do you want to tell us a little bit about the layout, how it started?
I've had a couple. Started 8x4 layout, twin loop, and then didn't really take it much further. Sold it, regretted it. Brought another, done exactly the same. Sold it, regretted it, and done it again. Third time lucky. Went for it, and then I lost the flat I was in. The landlord wanted to sell it. So I lost it.
Didn't like your train set?
No. So that was a spare bedroom, and it sat in storage for 10, 12 years.
Oh, okay. It's worth pointing out as well, we're not in a loft. This is the shed in your garden.
Yeah, a man cave, technically.
Yeah, definitely a man cave.
Yeah, I call it the man cave, but it's got a window, so some people might say it's not a cave.
Some people might say it's a shed.
Yeah.
But you mentioned as well that the roof isn't, as you can see from the camera possibly, that the roof is slightly lower than it could be.
No, because nosy neighbours.
Nosy neighbours don't like the shed, don't like the man cave. How did you get into the hobby? What was when you were young? Because personally, when I was young, I started going to I don't know if you heard of it, Beaconscott it's like a model village, and they had trains, and that's when I first picked up the interest in model trains. How did you get into it?
I don't know. So my grandpa had one, and just as soon as I saw it, fascinated. That was it. I was fixed. And then always wanted one. Yeah. Originally started on a carpet layout,
as we all do.
I used to think it was the best thing ever. Yeah, it just took off from there. I was young. I was only 10.
Yeah.
Aim of the game was to derail the train.
Go as fast as you can.
Yeah, see how fast it can go.
But you mentioned as well that you said your younger kid, or your kid is really interested in it as well now?
Yeah, little man. Not allowed in here, mine.
Is he not? Yeah,
no,
don't want him knocking over
any
of your prized possessions.
No, he's not allowed in here, mine. But we definitely go to expeditions together. And goes to sleep with a little Thomas.
Yeah.
So he's can't wait for him to get a little bit older, and
so he can start joining in and helping you out.
He can enjoy it with me.
You can get him to clean the tracker, maybe.
Yeah. Spend his pocket money on some trains.
So tell us a bit about the rolling stock, because obviously you've got a whole selection of you've got a couple of 08s at the back. You've got steam trains, 66, the 37, the DMU as well.
Yeah, DMU. Got a couple class 43s.
What's your favourite? What would you say is your favourite? Because obviously a lot of them are sound as well.
Yeah.
37 sound, I think.
Yeah, the 37 and the sound, they're both Bachmann factory fitted.
Factory fitted, so you haven't added the extra?
No, I haven't done anything to them, fresh out the box.
Really nice, really nice.
Yeah, they sound fantastic. I went into the shop to literally buy trees, and they had...
I've had similar problems.
And they had the 37 running on their test layout, and I could just hear something purring away. I thought, oh yeah, what's that? So, thought I'd go and have a look, and
before you know it, it's in your pocket and you're taking it home.
Yeah, and I went home and got home, and I was just like, so where's the trees then? So
you didn't tell your missus that you picked up the 37?
No. So I have to do a little detour through the garden gate.
So as you guys might have seen in the footage, I've sent my LNER steam train around a couple of times. I've not got the sound or anything, but I've got some brilliant shots as well, which I'll put in now, of the train running through this section. Which is, would you say this is your favourite section of the layout?
Definitely the most detailed so far. So this was the bit that got me back into it.
Yeah.
Started off building it, and then just thought I actually really enjoy this.
Yeah.
And it extended, and I thought, oh yeah, I remember I got a layout in storage. So joined it together.
So you started with this initially?
Yeah.
And then the loop come.
Brought that back in. Yeah. So that the back end was in storage.
Yeah.
The 8x4, and then started just tinkering. I got loads of trains. I get them back out from storage and just sit them on track and show them off, make a cabinet and whatnot. And I didn't make a cabinet. I made a layout.
Where it ended up, and you mentioned as well. You got to around here. Then you decided you wanted it to go the whole way around the shed as well.
Yeah. So I thought, no, I want it to disappear off behind me.
Yeah.
And then come back in from somewhere else. I thought that was quite a good idea. So yeah, that happened. That happened quite quick.
Yeah, I imagine so. I'd probably done the same, to be honest with you.
Yeah, as soon as I'd done it, I was just like, nah, it needs to go big.
You need to go as big as you can, physically fit in here.
I know. I attempted a garden layout as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What was it, OO gauge as well? Or?
No, same gauge, exactly the same. I attempted that, and then I ran it for a summer. It ran really well, actually.
Yeah. In the summer, I imagine it would have. But when the winter come around,
in between going through the flowers and stuff, yeah, it looked really good. Got some quite good shots of that.
Yeah.
And then I just thought winter's coming.
Yeah.
I didn't want to run these. These are getting too expensive.
Trying to get more expensive as well as you
and
add to
then
them.
pick up all the dirt and everything. I weren't gonna take the gamble.
People notice probably from the shots here that you've got a lot of different scenes. You've used a lot of different LEDs. So you've got the Wardle over there, which I'll put in.
Yeah.
And you've got the crossing. You've got the what do you call that? The
accident.
Accident.
I don't know. So basically, I think what you want to do is plan the area you're digging before you start digging.
Yeah, that's a lovely little scene.
Yeah.
So did you originally have the engine shed lit as well, or was that an addition?
No. I built them lit, and then that was.
Are they Metcalf kits?
Yeah. It was. I would always like LEDs. Lights make stuff pretty.
Oh, definitely, yeah, because you've got the cars as well with the front and rear lights, the crossing. Got some yard lights as well over there and over there.
Yeah, and then got the bins on fire.
Oh, of course. Yeah. Is there a little one down?
Yeah, like line markers.
Oh, line markers. Yeah.
And then
buffers as well.
Yeah, lighter buffers. Lights down the tunnel, down through there as well.
Yeah.
And just needed light.
Yeah, bring it to life a little bit.
Yeah, especially when you turn the lights down, just changes the
to a complete night scene. Yeah. So what would you say your future plans are then for the layout?
Viaduct.
Viaduct.
You know that's coming.
I may have supplied the viaduct.
Yeah. Viaduct, and then bring up the rest of the layout to this sort of spec. To be honest, I actually smashed it out in about 6 months.
Yeah, I have the same tendency as well. I said to myself, I'll start in the new year. Halfway through December last year, I had all the baseboards put together.
Yeah. And then I think the extension happened within a couple of days. Over a weekend, just said to the missus, "Oh, just pop it in the."
I feel like I'm gonna have the same. Similar
what
issues.
you could do was power tools going crazy. The door keep opening and closing, me in and out.
Sawdust flying away.
Yeah. Come out in a cloud of dust. Are you coming in? Nope. You hungry? Nope.
Or ordering Uber Eats into the shed.
Yeah, tea and biscuits, and then coming in to charge the phone to order more stuff. And postman.
I was going to say you've sent me many pictures before, piles and piles of deliveries.
I got a message. It's really got to stop.
Yeah, I get messages in the family group chat all the time saying another parcel for you, another parcel for you. I think
that's yeah.
Especially when you're buying things on eBay and stuff as well. They all come in at different times, so it's.
I know, and then what you think's coming doesn't come for like a few more days.
Yeah.
It doesn't come. It just turns up with the other stuff that you forgot you ordered. You're like, oh yeah, okay.
So I find myself ordering paints, and then I'm waiting for them to come. Then I'll go to the model shop, buy paints, and then I've got more paint, and it's just a ever going circle of buying, and then as you could probably see in here, storage.
yeah, exactly. And then with little boy as well. It's like the car.
Yeah.
And everything else. And it's like
you just make sure you keep him in train, so that way you can carry on adding.
Yeah, and it's a shed that doesn't contain a lawnmower.
No, that's the first one I've seen. Yeah.
It's not. There's like I built a separate shed
just for the
lawnmower.
Brilliant. We good? Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little tour. When I say little tour, the layout's huge. This is the first in a series of layouts I'm going to be going to visit. I think next on the list is Lakeside with Graham, and then I've got the likes of Barnabas Junction, Valley Brook, and a whole host of others. But before we finish, we just wanted to show you something John's been working on, and I helped him paint it, but it's the MRCCT, if you want to plug it now.
Yeah, basically MRCCT, basically just a coach tour. Get involved. We're on Facebook.
Definitely not copied.
Yeah, not a copy. And basically,
so the aim's to get this as far as we can go.
So there are people who want to get involved in Australia, so you know, sky's the limit.
It's definitely gonna,
wherever it can go, it will go.
And the idea is that people sign their names.
Yeah, so yeah, feature it on your layout, post the pictures, videos, whatever you want to do, regardless of the stage of your layout. It's the idea is to get everybody involved, and then you can sign it, and then it goes on to the next person. And then
before you know it, they'll be covered in initials.
Yeah, I know. And then before hopefully
a whole train of people.
Yeah, it'd be a train going around.
Well, thank you for joining me on the first episode of this. As always, please like and comment, and let me know what you think of John's layout. As I think you'll agree, it's turning into an absolute masterpiece as well.
Just need to sort the rolling stock
Just
out
need to
before
stop
you get those
yeah,
comments
don't complain about diesels pulling steam train coaches, because I won't have it.
Yeah. There's what was there to hand.
Yeah, or my steam train pulling ventilated milk vans as well. It's allowed to happen, all right?
Yeah.
But other than that, yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next episode.